method to the madness. So first of all, there's a lot going on in here. Be careful. The actual values are going to always be furthest there to the left, okay? And then the frequency, what does that mean? Yeah, that's how many there are. So this just means there are 6 5s. Have you used tallies before? Okay, so is this necessary? No. But if you had something, or whoever put together this table was counting up with tally marks how many 5s occurred. So for now, just kind of ignore that. They got the 6 because there's 6 tally marks there. Okay, so how are we going to find the mean? So we are going to take each score and multiply by that's a multiply normally, the frequency. See, that's what you're going to do. Take each score and you're going to multiply by its frequency. Second, you're going to add them up. Third, you're going to divide by the total frequencies. And that's going to give us our mean. All right, let's do it. Take each score, multiply by the frequency. How many 5s were there? So I'm going to do 5 times 6. I'm going to end up adding them up, right? Plus, I have 11 6s, so 6 times 11, plus 7 7s, 7 times 7, plus 8 times 4, plus 9 times 2. Now, in this one, I was nice to you. Didn't I already add up the frequencies for you? But let's say I didn't. The total values, you don't have to list them and count them. You can just add how many frequencies there are. That would give you your total. So once I find this sum, I'm going to divide by 30. All right, those who have a calculator, would you do the top? I'm going to do it too. Actually, you can probably do some of it in your head. What's that, Murray?
Oh, it's 195.
You think it's 195?
Yeah,
oh, you already did it? Can I get a second?
Yeah.
All right, I'm not going to even do that. All right. So we get 195, and now we're going to divide that by 30. I got 6.5 for that. Okay, so the average score, or the mean score, is 6.5. Okay, next, how do we find the median? Yes, ma'am.
So we just, the bottom denominator is just the total?
The total frequencies, yes.
We just divide by that?
Yes,
Okay.
because what we did yesterday is we actually wrote out the 6 5s,
Yeah.
and we wrote out this, but if you think about this, if there's 6 of these and 11 of these and 7 of these numbers and 4 of these numbers and so on, then the sum of the frequencies is going to be how many numbers there were.
Okay.
So we don't have to list and count them, we can just add the frequencies as a shortcut to get that. Okay? All right, to find the median, here are our little notes on how to do this. We are either going to find, be careful, where. Where means what interval or number. The middle value is. There might be 2 middle values. Okay. After you write this down, let me tell you how you tell. Frank's right. if there's an odd number of things, think about that. You're going to have, if they're in order, you're going to have some over here, and there's going to be one middle value, okay? If there are an even number of things, your middle would be right in half, and it's going to be between those two middle, okay? So even number is when there's going to be 2, odd number is when it's going to be 1. What is it going to be in this one? 2. Okay, so here's how we figure that out. We take half of 30. Half of 30 is I'm writing it down, is 15. But that means there's 15 and 15, so it occurs between the 15th and 16th are the middle two values. Notice I didn't say 15 and 16 are the middle two values. I mean, if you put them in a row and counted in order, it's going to be between the 15th and 16th. All right, let's find where that happens. Well, if I was going in order, the first value is right here. Oh, is this not matching what is on there? What? Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, do me a favor. I was using this right here. I thought at first, at glance, that this represented that, but it doesn't. Just cross this guy out. We're just using this guy right here. All right, let's figure out where the 15th and 16th are. The first 6 occur here. The next 11 occur here. Wouldn't the 15th and 16th numbers be in this category then? Yes. So what is that score? A 6. So 6 equals our median. Okay, how about our mode? How do we find that? That's going to be the value with the highest frequency. The value with the highest frequency. Looking at our frequency table, it's pretty clear, I think. What's the value with the highest frequency? 6. Okay. How are we doing? Yes, ma'am. The highest frequency is 11. No. I want to know what the score is. That 11 means if you were to list them out, there's 6 is listed 11 times. So don't tell me, you're right that this is where it happens, but tell me what the score is.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.